A day in the life of Detective Dennis. Hello. Do you want to spend the day with Detective Dennis? Let's go and see. So, Detective Dennis gets up at about 6 a.m. every morning. He has some breakfast. He usually eats some toast with jam and butter and drinks some fruit juice. After breakfast, he brushes his teeth and gets ready to go to work. He never goes anywhere without his favorite red pen or without his red notebook. That definitely goes with. He waits at the bus stop for his bus. And when he gets off the bus, he needs to walk 2 extra blocks until he gets to the police station. Once he arrives at the police station, he needs to scan his ID card to enter. He then spends some time doing paperwork and other admin. At lunchtime, he takes a walk to a nearby coffee shop and buys a coffee. Sometimes he has a donut if there is some in the police break room. If somebody calls the police station about a crime that happened, the police secretary will tell them about it and they will drive to the crime scene. The forensic team puts up warning tape and they look through the crime scene for any evidence. Once they have enough evidence, they drive back to the police station. Here, they will connect it to other crimes and spend some time matching it to other crimes in the area. Detective Dennis and the team talk about the crimes and do some research. Sometimes they stay in the detective room for hours trying to understand the crime. When they do this, they order takeaway burgers. Or they share a pizza together. When it gets late, he takes a taxi home. At home, he watches a little bit of TV. And then he goes to sleep. Nice. Do you want to spend the day with other important people? Let us know in the comments below and like this video.